Today we'll talk about how can you enable birthday reminder on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here, go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. And all you have to do now, just click here on notifications here. Then you come to next step here, you go down, come here to birthday reminder. Just click in this sign here, and here can you select time. You click here on OK. Then automatically it's going to enable with you here. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.